Howdy everyone, this is Grandpa with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so we're still here at the Riviera West Village, and we're looking at one of the cute courtyards that are here. This is what I was mentioning. The Riviera does really good about kind of all these little pocket areas, these little niches where you can kind of relax and enjoy. It's a more traditional apartment, but you can see it's so fun, and I like how they integrated also with the garage parking. So you've got just ample, lots of garage parking, but then this fun. It looks really cute. It's got all this lighting that's here. This is a fire pit over here. It looks like a grill that's over there. So, and then the apartment's over here. It's super, super fun. It's a really pretty apartment. It's been one of my favorites for actually over 10 years. I've sent people here. They love it. Lately, I've talked with them, and they have trouble getting people. Like, they don't want to leave. Is my point. They really will renew here because it's just such a great location. And it's a great price. So anyway, that's a little bit more about the Riviera, and now we're about to go see some more amenities.